Vanakam. It's a beautiful day. Today we are going to try sweet potato chips. I saw this hack in YouTube and I want to really give a try on that. Let's get started. I do have a question in the end of the video. Let's see who gets it. Let's see who gets it. I have taken 2 small sweet potatoes and then I have sliced it like that. And then sliced it like that. Place it on the plate. Sprinkle some salt. Keep it in the microwave for 2 minutes. That definitely doesn't look like how I saw in the video. Let me flip it up and then keep for another 1 minute then. Still doesn't look like that as in the video. I'm gonna keep another 1 minute. It's hot, but it's so soft. It took 5 minutes, but it is not that crispy, but it is crispy. Oh yeah, it is crispy. I'll try. Oh yeah, this is not crispy, but I got a black one. Time to taste the YouTube recipe. I would say it's okay. It's not that crispy, but it is good. That one is crispy. I want to check how the black one tastes, Not good. The crunchiness is there, the little bit of sweetness and the salt on top. I can feel the taste and it is really good, but it's not 2 minutes. It took 5 minutes for me to make this. Tiny miny. I would say it's a good snack. Maybe we can use a dipping sauce and then eat it. Okay guys, see you in another video. I'll try a different hack next time. Until then, it's Uday, Mr. Cool. Peace. Times I microwave the sweet potato chips. Put your answers in the comment. You guys try it out and let me know how much time it took for you.